Have you ever felt like you were meant for something more? Like there was a higher purpose or untapped potential within you, just waiting to be unlocked? Well, that was me. That was me. That was exactly me when I was a stylist for years. And although I still do it when I was just starting out and working with people, I always felt that way. Like I loved my work. I found so much joy in my work and still do. But there was a voice inside me that just kept whispering. And it was like, you were made for more than this. You were made to inspire and help people. So I decided to just follow and listen to that voice. And what started as a daily personal journaling for myself of self-discovery and just deep diving evolved into a full-fledged journey, one that allowed me to uncover my purpose and my passions while inspiring, uplifting, and helping people even more so all over the world. And through that vulnerability, through self-discovery, and a willingness to take leaps, go outside of my comfort zone and help people through styling and other areas, that passion for entrepreneurship evolved into being an influencer, a brand strategist, and also a life coach. So if you're feeling stuck or unsure of your next moves, or simply just hungry for more out of life, out of your career, then pull a chair up and sit next to me, because I am going to share some valuable insights with you, my friend. Because over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some hard-won lessons and insights that I guarantee will light a fire under you. It's about just building an influential brand. It's about unlocking your highest self, the most vibrant, empowered version of yourself, of you that's been waiting to be set free. If you're ready to take that step into your greatness, then let's go on this journey. Let's talk a little bit about my journey. So for over a decade, and still I'm a fashion stylist. I've traveled the world, I've dressed celebrities, my work has been seen in major publications, but despite all of that, all of my success, I still felt like something was missing. Like I still felt like there was something more that I could add value to and add value to others. And so that grueling schedule of hustling and bustling, eventually that took a toll on me, and it kind of burned me out, and had a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment that I knew I could still do it, but do more. And that evolved into my book, Becoming a Stylist, Secrets That They Don't Want You to Know. And it helped me build a different type of creative outlet. So what began as a hobby with becoming a stylist quickly turned into a project where I was able to empower and uplift other people and inspire other stylists, and also throughout just helping other brands creatively as well. It was just something that I loved, and it emerged into just a different love for fashion and journaling and writing and empowering other people to embrace their own unique selves and styles, just to uplift and build their confidence. And so that led me down to an unexpected path of diving deeper into personal branding, influencing as an influencer marketing with a different business type strategy. And I was just hooked. I constantly wanted to learn. I constantly was evolving and pushing myself more and more outside of my comfort zone. And then from building all of those things and building my brand with my book, it began to grow. I started exploring ways I could further monetize and scale my impact. And then that's when I started diving deeper into affiliate marketing through Amazon and also LTK, which I do have videos on this channel more on. So affiliate marketing was a game changer because it was another source of income. It was another outlet for me where I could review products that I genuinely loved and already used myself. And it gave me, again, a new stream of income, and it allowed me to show my authenticity and trust, like my audience to build trust with me just because of products I already use. And from there, I started being approached more and more by aspiring stylists, entrepreneurs, and just them wanting to just pick my brain and help them as well with building their own brand, helping them find their niche, turning their passions into profits. And that was just like a game changer that I absolutely loved. And that further inspired me to dive deeper in creating the Stylist Starter Kit, which is a comprehensive guide on how to start a successful styling business and literally just build it from scratch. And then just watching my students take that program and thrive and turn their passion into profit just made my heart so warm. So with all those and combining all my skills as a stylist, a brand strategist, I created a program actually implementing all of my skills and expertise of being a fashion stylist, a business coach, a life coach, into an amazing program called Style Your Life. And that is a transformational coaching program that helps clients elevate their personal style while up-leveling their mindset, pivoting their careers, and monetizing their passions and intentionally designing a life they love. So whether you want to build an influential personal brand, launch a styling business, elevate yourself as an executive or an entrepreneur, or simply crave more confidence and clarity, then Style Your Life gives you the tools to make it happen, y'all. Like, it helps you in so many ways. I've gone from a fashion stylist who dreamed of more to influence and educate, to a strategist and coach empowering others to embrace their greatness in style. And this is only the beginning. Like, I'm so excited to be able to evolve and share and innovate and help other people do the same in their journey. So if what I've shared resonates with you and you're ready to take the first step, I invite you to check out Style Your Life. The link is down in the description for you. But this is not just about buying a program, y'all. It's literally about choosing to invest in yourself and your dreams. It's about believing that you can build an impactful brand and life that you absolutely love. So whether you join the program or simply commit to cheering yourself on, I hope that this conversation really inspired you and some serious reflection took place and forward momentum for you. The path to becoming an influencer and that personal brand journey is one of the most rewarding, stretching, and yet fulfilling experiences that you will ever have. And it's waiting for you just to be brave and take that first step. Trust me, you got this. You got everything you need within you. I'm cheering you on in every step of the way. Let me know in the comments what really resonated with you. What did you love most about the video? Where are you in your life? What are you working on? What are your goals? And what does your brand and life look like for you? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friend or anyone you feel that this would help and inspire in any way. And also make sure you click that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video.